Hello, welcome to another colorful episode on this channel. I'm so excited today because we are having the most respected CEO in real estate on this channel. She's coming to talk to us about something amazing that we all can invest in. But before that, let's go say hi to Hannah Atiase, the CEO of Ewells Realty and Consultancy.
Hi, Nanaba. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thank you. Have a seat.
Thank you very much. You're also welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Thank you very much. It has been an honor having you on the channel so that people can learn more about what you do. So before we go into anything, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
All right, great. So I'm Hannah Atiase. I'm the founder of Ewells Realty and Consultancy, which is a real estate marketing firm. We focus on commercial and residential brokerage and pretty much all things real estate. And we also host a lot of conferences because I definitely believe in empowering people through education, particularly about creating generational wealth through home ownership. So that's it in a nutshell.
That's so exciting. Okay, so I came to spend the day with you and to know some of the things you do. What else do we have for our viewers?
Okay, so what I got planned for you today is we're going to check out one of my Airbnbs. And a lot of people don't realize there's a lot of behind the scenes preparation that goes in to make sure that your guest has the best possible stay. So today we are going to go shopping. I have a guest checking in tomorrow, so we want to make sure that we get the place ready.
Okay, we can't wait to see the place. So
all right,
let's go.
let's go. So we are headed to Malcolm Shopping Center.
What are some of the things we might be getting?
All right, so I'm gonna get some more bed sheets, duvet covers. I need to get a TV console as well, and some items for the Aquaba gift basket. So some coffee, Milo, hot chocolate, that sort of thing.
Okay. So let's go.
Let's go.
So we are finally at Hannah's Airbnb apartment in Cantonment, and I'm really impressed with the colors and choice of appliances and decor in the space. I'm really impressed. Whilst we are here, we'll be talking about the new trends in the real estate industries that you can invest in, right? Yes. So we are back from Malcolm and we are in the kitchen area, a very beautiful space. And Hannah will help us pack the stuff up whilst we talk about Airbnb as an investment.
Yeah. Great. So thanks again for shopping with me, Nanaba.
Thank you.
So what I did is I just picked out some stuff to put in my Aquaba basket, just to kind of give a little special touch, a personal touch for my guest that is coming in. So every time a guest comes and leaves, I make sure I come and I stock up and change the linens and all that sort of stuff. So we have some teas here for the guest, my favorite, chamomile, so they could sleep well at night. So we have that. And then we have some coffee for those who wake up in the morning and, you know, they definitely have to have their caffeine. Yep, thank you. And then we have some Milo for guests who have been missing Milo. So we have that in here as well. We have some Earl Grey. I love Earl Grey. It's my favorite tea outside of chamomile. And then some hot chocolate as well. And then we have some other tea here from India, Bali.
I think this is really impressive.
Tea box.
Yes, you need to drink it to know the story.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, I just put my little Aquaba. We're so happy you're here. Let us know if you need anything, and then they can call.
Oh, that's really impressive.
Yeah. So a special touch for my guests. Yes.
Okay. So I really love this kitchen area. Can you tell us more about Airbnb as an investment in
Absolutely.
Ghana?
Yeah, so the good news with Airbnb, these are for guests that don't want to be cooped up in just one hotel room. So this particular guest has the whole apartment. So you have the living room, you have the kitchenette area, dining room area, you have the kitchen area that comes with a refrigerator, you have a washing machine as well, and a microwave, stove, and the oven as well. So you have everything here that you can cook your meals if you want to. And then we have the bedroom as well. And then you have the bathroom and the balcony area, little patio area you can relax. So the entire apartment is for you. There is a gym as well. There's a rooftop lounge and bar. Those nights you don't want to be home, you want to go upstairs and enjoy the views and, a good meal and some music. There's a swimming pool as well. And there's also a yoga area if you want to meditate and that sort of thing. So, this is for the guests. They can have the entire apartment and all the amenities. So when we talk about investing in real estate, the key thing is to make sure you are making a return on your investment. And so the good news is with Airbnbs, it's very easy, very seamless. You have people checking in, checking out, and paying per night. Or some people who want longer stays will pay per month, or, we call them short stays, a month, 2 months, 3 months, anything under 6 months. So the key thing is to make sure that you have that cash flow. So you're generating cash flow from this asset.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really impressive. So if you are someone who is looking to invest in Airbnb or have your apartment on Airbnb, what is the first thing you have to do?
First thing you want to do is furnish it. So when I got this apartment, there was no furniture, no, furnishings. It came with the standard appliances, etc. But even all these appliances here, you have to make sure you buy everything so that the guest feels like it's home away from home. So the first thing you want to do is you want to furnish your apartment. But even before that, you want to make sure that you get your apartment in an area that has high demand for rent. Okay, so good location. This is in cantonments. You want airport, cantonments, East Legon, Osu, Labani. These are all areas that are close to the airport. So areas that are close to the airport are in higher demand than areas that are further away. Yeah. So then you will get clients booking for short stays because of the proximity to the airport. So you want to consider all these things before you buy an apartment for Airbnb.
That's great. I've learned something.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you very much. So this is the dining area.
Yes.
I'm been saying, I'm really impressed by the choice of colors, and I really love wood finishing as well. So it's really, really impressive, Hannah.
Thank you, Nanaba.
Okay. Aside, apart from Ewell's Realty that has a very comfortable office space, I've been seeing other spaces springing up, which a lot of people are calling co-working spaces.
Right.
Yes. I think this is a new trend in Ghana that you can tell us more about.
Yeah, it is. It's a new trend, and it's perfect for startup businesses, startup entrepreneurs. When you're just starting a business, it's very important that you minimize your expenses. So what people are doing is they are renting out co-working spaces until, of course, your business grows and then there is expansion. Then you can look at renting out the larger office spaces. But if you're just starting, The key thing is to just get a space where your clients can come and visit. And a lot of people don't want to work from home because then the balance of work and personal life, separating the two becomes difficult. Yeah, so the key thing is to just start somewhere, start in this co-working space, and then you build your business from there. So it's a huge trend now. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I think we know what it is now.
Yeah.
So we'll move to, as we are touring the place, and I'll be telling us more.
Yeah.
And I was here when it was empty, and I really love what you've done with the space.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So
Yes.
what I want to do now is just make the bed.
Okay.
So all this work and effort for our guys. We just got some new sheets from Malcolm. So I'm just going to put new sheets and pillowcases and get the bed ready for our guests tomorrow. Yep. Brand new sheets. Here we go. Some pillowcases.
Okay.
And some sheets.
Okay.
All right, let's get this off.
Okay. So I'll grab the pillow.
Grab you one there.
Okay.
There you go. There's the other one.
Oh, this is really comfortable. Soft.
You know, I just want them to have a good night's rest, you know, especially after you've been on a long flight. You just want to come home and just enjoy your nap.
Okay. So whilst we do that, I've been hearing about December in Ghana.
December in Ghana, yes.
And I realized a lot of people are also attending events as a way of investment in the real estate industry.
Yeah.
Yes. So can you tell us about what is happening this December?
Yes. December in Ghana. Every December, we have the annual First Time Homebuyers in Ghana seminar. And the reason for doing this is to make sure that people understand the home buying process. You know, when you are educated about the home buying process in Ghana, you avoid becoming a victim of fraud. Yeah. You can easily detect the red flags and you can make sure that your investment is safe. And we talk about our escrow services. You know, all funds are put into an escrow account and they're overseen by a lawyer and the funds are dispersed according to the agreement. So that way nobody's running away with anybody's money. Yes. So we are doing First Time Home Buyers. This year, we're going to have over 30 vendors. We're going to have real estate developers as sponsors. So it's all things home. So from vendors who sell bedding, to curtains, to drapes, to carpets, to rugs, to those who sell generators, to even food vendors. It's going to be an incredible time. Yeah.
So I think if you attend your new home, you can find all your
everything. It's a one-stop shop.
Home.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. And there'll be great panel discussions, you know, talking about building generational wealth through home ownership. Because, you know, we need to change the mindset. We need to look at a home as an investment and not just a home as a place to live. You know, we need to look at the financial aspect of this. And, you know, in other countries, or say overseas in the US, 95% of millionaires started with a real estate portfolio.
Great.
And we need to see that in Ghana.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So aside the event, I think digital marketing is also part of the new trend in real estate.
Absolutely.
In investment in Ghana. Yes. So I think if you are a real estate developer, agent, or is there another word? Broker.
Yes.
I think you should also try to have a digital presence and invest in that side too, right?
Oh, yes, you are absolutely right. We live in a global world. Digitalization, globalization. You know, now you can reach somebody in China through, you know, social media platforms, through the digitalization. You can reach somebody in the UK, you know, Europe, wherever it is. So yes, you need to have a strong online presence to make sure you're reaching your customers all across the globe.
That's really impressive. Thank you very much, Hannah. I think
Thank
we'll
you.
go to the balcony
Sure.
area and we'll check out the pool. But
Great.
first, we need to finish doing
Yes,
the bed.
let's make the bed.
Let's make the bed. Hannah,
Anaba.
thank you very much. Thank you very much for having this time for me. And before we sign out, I want us to talk about who can go into real estate and all these investments that we've mentioned.
Yeah, I think anybody who is passionate about investments, about real estate, sales, there's so many facets to real estate. So if you're passionate about marketing, there's real estate marketing or sales or property management, facilities management. I mean, there's so many things. So anybody can go into real estate. Just find out what your niche is in the market and move in that direction.
Okay, that's great. I think I really love the co-working space. Yes. And if I eventually start, you'd give me more advice.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a good investment. Anything real estate, I believe, is a good investment. You just have to do your research, do your market analysis, do your due diligence, and you'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank
If someone wants to find you for more advice on investing in real estate in Ghana, how do they find you?
Yeah, they can send an email to info@ewellsconsult.com.
Okay. And you would be right there.
I'll be right there to guide them through the real estate process.
Okay. And please don't forget to attend the First Time Homebuyers Seminar
Yes.
in Ghana
Yes.
this December.
December 7th.
December 7th, yes,
Yeah.
2023. And Hannah also has a masterclass that she does for those who want to be real estate investors or real estate agents in Ghana. I'm sure.
Absolutely. So I do master classes, trainings, seminars, workshops, conferences. So just, if you are interested in real estate and you want more information, you can definitely sign up for the master class. But for the First Time Homebuyers in Ghana seminar, you can sign up at www.firsttimefthbghbghana.com. That's
So
it.
www.fthbghana.com.
That's it.
Yes. So here, when we sign out, we say, on that note, see ya. So I will say on that note, then we both say see ya.
Okay.
So let's go. So thank you very much for
Thank you.
teaching us all this. I've also learned so much from this video alone, and I really, really, really love this space. And I'm sure I'll have some break at this space. Yes. So on that note, see ya.